Query successful. Try again without apps. If you put your life savings into a bank, how do you know it's actually safe? It's a question that keeps a lot of people up at night, especially when it comes to online-only banks. You're entrusting your money to a company you might never visit in person. So, when considering a high-yield account with a bank like Ally, the critical question becomes, is Ally Bank FDIC insured? It's a simple question with a very reassuring answer. Yes, Ally Bank is a member of the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, or FDIC. But what does that actually mean for your hard-earned money? The FDIC is an independent agency of the U.S. government that was created back in the 1930s to maintain stability and public confidence in the nation's financial system. Essentially, they insure your deposits. For an Ally Bank customer, this is your rock-solid safety net. If a bank fails, and while rare, it does happen, the FDIC steps in to protect your money. Here's the key detail you need to know. The standard insurance amount is $250,000 per depositor, per insured bank, for each account ownership category. In plain English, for all your checking, savings, money market, and CD accounts held in your name alone at Ally Bank, the total is insured up to $250,000. Now, that per ownership category part is important. You can actually get more than $250,000 in coverage at Ally Bank if you strategically structure your accounts. For example, a joint account you hold with a spouse or partner is considered a separate ownership category, and that account is insured up to $500,000, $250,000 for each co-owner. Retirement accounts, like an IRA, are also a separate category, each insured up to $250,000. By diversifying your account types and ownership, you can increase your total insured amount. So, whether you're using Ally for their competitive interest rates or their convenience, you can rest easy knowing your deposits are protected by the full faith and credit of the U.S. government, up to the maximum legal limits. Just one final point to remember, FDIC insurance only covers deposit products like savings and checking accounts. It does not cover investment products like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds offered through their investment division, Ally Invest. Those products come with different protections, but they are not FDIC insured. If you have concerns about your specific account balances, the FDIC has an online tool called EDI, the Electronic Deposit Insurance Estimator, that can help you calculate your exact coverage. It's a great resource for anyone with large balances across multiple account types. The short of it is, Ally Bank is FDIC insured. Your deposits are safe. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.